Join me as I teach you guys how you guys get Super Nintendo on PC. Let's go. So the very first thing is you want to go emulatorzone.com. All links are in the description. Then click on the first one if you have a 64-bit, or the second one if you have a 32-bit. But the first one I have. Then download zip file, you guys. Always download zip file. It's easiest program to use. Once you do the setup, everything like that. Then once you're done that, you go save it to your desktop, wherever you like. Right click, and go to share extract zip file. Once that's done, you guys can get rid of the zip files. Go delete it. Click delete. You don't need it anymore. Goodbye. So, yeah, and then double click on there, and then double click on the application. And there's the gameplay, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want to play me to teach you guys how to in the next video. Goodbye.